Welcome back, Island Hoppers. Today we're coming to you from Split, Croatia, out here on the coast of the Adriatic that connects to the Mediterranean. Beautiful coastline up here. They call it the Croatian Riviera. So let's begin down here in Split. What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Split, Croatia. We're going to enter into the old palace city walls here. Into the old city. There's a statue of Ivan Mestrovic. They say if you touch his statue, you will get good luck. But the locals who said they've been touching the statue haven't had any of their dreams come true after touching him. So, you know, it is what it is. But we're going to head towards the waterfront. Tomorrow, I'm actually going on a tour of 5 islands. I have to get up at 7:30 in the morning. Or no, I'm sorry, I have to be there at 7:30 because that's when it leaves. I have to actually be there at 7:15. So what am I really saying? That means I got to be up at like 6 to get ready for that. Probably later than that because I'll hit my alarm more than once. But you get the point. But yeah, you could see this is an old city here in Split, right in the old town. Many little bars like that. Look at the variety of different ages, like brick, stone. It's like changing over time. A place like this has changed hands many different times. From the Romans to the Greeks. But this little area that I'm in right now is called the Palace. It's actually fortified. It doesn't make up all of Split. It's just the area known as the Palace. But it's a very ancient area. People come here to visit. And I'm definitely cruising through here. Almost reminds you of a Greek fortress, doesn't it? Currently 6 p.m. Actually 6:25 p.m. When I go towards the waterfront here, I want to go back in the other direction that I just came from. Population here is about 130,000 people. Temperature outside is around 85 to 90 degrees, somewhere in between there. In Fahrenheit, if you're talking Celsius, it's around 30 to 33 degrees Celsius. So do with that what you want. We're actually going to head towards the market. Just going to be under here. Okay, so we're going to cruise through here, right by these Greek Trojan warriors. They've got a crypt right here you have to get tickets for, right next to the Sphinx. You can go up above or you can go down below. We're going to go down below here. Wow, look at that. Okay. That market. Totally reminds me of Italy, but at the same time it's like it doesn't remind me of Italy because no place in Italy is this awesome. It's more awesome. No, I'm just kidding. But no, actually it kind of reminds me of Tropea. I'm amazed that some of these structures have withstood the sands of time. Really, I am. But yeah, the Romans, the Greeks, the Ottomans, the Ottoman Turks I'm talking about. Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, all tried to have dominion over this beautiful city at one point. All right, so now we're coming up to the waterfront, which is where I bought my ticket to go on the 5-island tour tomorrow at 7:30. They say you don't eat down here, although I ate down here and it was good food. I'm not complaining. I also took some shots of tequila. So you know how I'm feeling right now. Really good, especially with all this vitamin D. I haven't seen this much sunlight since Arizona. I've literally just come off the North Pole damn near. You can get so many different boat tours down here. I mean, each one of these boats goes out to those other islands like Hvar. You can see Blue Caves Express, Blue Lagoon 3-island tour. Just come right here and you get it. I'll show you the lady who sold me mine. She was patient with me, so I decided to give her my business. They do like cash here. They always try to get you to pay cash. I wouldn't be riding a bike through here, but these guys are. What do we got going on here? Oh, go ahead, go ahead. Here comes the party barge. That's a cool looking barge. Man, talk about a party, huh? I'm excited for my 5-island tour and Blue Cave. This one, Blue Cave. That's the one I'm doing. A lot of these boats, they don't actually park there. They just let people off and then they take off. Tomorrow we're doing the 5 islands in the Blue Cave, right?
Yes, we are.
And you promise it's going to be the best time ever.
It's going to be the best day that you've had in Croatia, definitely.
Good deal. Okay, so I broke the rules and I'm eating in the tourist place, but hey, that's what I usually do anyway. I got a tequila, yes. So I got some black truffle Croatian pasta with bacon, salad, tequila, and yeah, just chilling. Look at people going up to the top of that. Go Adventure Blue Cave. All right, I'm on a mission to get some bathing suits. Also, let me show you guys my room. Right now, I'll show you the hotel room I'm staying at. Okay, so we've arrived at the hotel room here in Split. I just wanted to show you guys this. This is called the Heritage Hotel. It's actually Villa Split. You can see I got the shower and a little bit of a view down here. Ooh, nice little drop. But cozy, comfortable, air conditioner works. I'm not going to tell you the price because I booked late, but it was a couple hundred, I'll say that. But hey, it's right in the city center. Yeah, so booked that for 2 nights actually. Happy about it. The internet's slow, but that's good for me because I need to take a little break from uploading. Man, I'm loving Split Croatia though. Croatia's the best, man. The best. It really is. I don't think it gets any better than this in Europe. I mean, French Riviera Have you met Croatia? Alright, I gotta buy a swimsuit here. So let's see if they've got some clothes for me. Croatia. Okay. Let's see here. I need some swim trunks. Aha. I'm not a gynecologist, but I'll take a look. That's fine. Let's see here. Monte Carlo. Huh? Monte Carlo? XXL? How much?
120, 120.
120?
Yes.
Okay.
XXL. This color. This color.
XL.
This color, the different color. Orange.
Oh, okay, okay.
This color, this color. This this.
What? Oh, okay. I like them all. This one.
Okay. XXL.
Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm doing some shopping here, supporting the local economy. I got a fanny pack. I got a Croatia hat. Now I need some sandals because I don't have any sandals. I can't wear shoes on this tour. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Those were better than sandals actually. Heck yeah, they do. Okay, so I got basically everything except for a rash guard. I got a towel. I've spent around $65 getting all this, but the cool thing is that I needed it. And I get to support the local vendors, which is always good. Keeps those guys in business, which helps add to the tourism experience. When the locals are well funded, they're able to provide a better service. You know, for $13 per item, it's not, you know, that big. Marko Marulic, 1450 to 1524. I think they said this is where Marco Polo was born. So I think this is where Marco Polo comes from. Somewhere around here. I don't know the exact location. Kind of reminds me of Tropea, Italy. Repubblica de Chile. That's what it said right there on the wall. Like a maze getting lost in here. Which way do you go? Which way do you go? I really forgot where my hotel was. See, this is what I thought Athens, Greece would be like. I don't think they have areas like this in Athens, except for the Acropolis. But this is like, Split is what you would think Athens would be like. And now it's nighttime down here in Split. You can see people are out and about, eating and enjoying their night. Beautiful evening, actually. Perfect weather. You get lots of sunshine out here in Split. You guys should watch the Island Hopper tour we did around here. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel.
Man wydaje mi się, tak.
And we will see you guys on the next one.